Hi, my name is Maria. I am 27 years old. Today I will talk about my day yesterday. Yesterday I woke up at 8 in the morning. I had breakfast and started my day. In the morning I went to work. I work part-time as a warehouse assistant. In the afternoon, I went to the market. Then I prepared lunch and spent time with my children. At, at night, I went to the park with my family. Later, we went home and had dinner. After dinner, I went to sleep. Thank you.